Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video and please consider subscribing before you exit. Today's video is going to be the Ordinary skincare products unboxing and demo. So hope you guys enjoy. So I did get everything online from Sephora because it was easier for me, and I got my order the next day. So first things first, we have the glycolic acid toning solution. Next, we have the lactic acid 10% solution. I also got 2 of the organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. I got a small bottle of the Pycnogenol 5% serum, and here's another bottle of the rosehip seed oil. And I also got 2 bottles of the hyaluronic acid serum, one for me and one for my mom. And lastly, we have the niacinamide zinc serum. Starting with my favorite, which is the glycolic acid, it's known to be the smallest alpha hydroxy acid. It basically acts as a skin exfoliator because it breaks the bonds between the outer layer of the skin cells, which are the dead skin cells, and the next skin layer. And this creates a peeling effect, which will make your skin appear a lot smoother and brighter. Next, we have also a favorite of mine, which is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin when it's applied on damp skin, and it keeps it nice and hydrated. It also deeply moisturizes the skin, which keeps it healthy and glowing. Side note, look how satisfying the bubbles are when they formed inside the dropper. Next, we have rosehip seed oil, which in my opinion is a miracle product. I always recommend it to people with acne scars, stretch marks, and skin texture. Now, this oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin A, which not only moisturizes the skin, but it also helps promote skin regeneration. This oil has been used for centuries as a healing oil because of the many benefits and properties it has. So whenever you exfoliate the skin and you apply this oil on top of it, your skin will be healthy and glowing. Next, we have the infamous niacinamide and zinc serum. Now, I'm pretty sure everyone and their grandmother knows what this is, but for those of you who don't know, niacinamide is vitamin B3, which is great in reducing the appearance of skin blemishes, congestion, and the appearance of pores, which people like me with oily combination skin suffer from. Now, this serum also helps with the skin's immunity. It builds a protein called keratin, which keeps the skin healthy and firm. It also minimizes the appearance of redness and blotchiness, regulates oil, and protects against sun damage. Next, we have lactic acid. Now, lactic acid is similar to glycolic acid, as in they're both AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids. They both eat away the dead skin cells, which improves the overall skin texture and appearance. However, lactic acid is for people with sensitive skin. So if you do have sensitive skin, I do recommend you try the lactic acid. And I also recommend trying the 5% instead of the 10% if it's your first time ever. Side note again, the bubbles formed even more satisfyingly in the lactic acid tube. And lastly, we have Pycnogenol. Now, Pycnogenol is a pine bark extract which has many benefits to the skin. It has the ability to selectively bind collagen and elastane and protect these proteins from degrading, helping them nourish the skin and also reduce signs of aging. Pycnogenol, in my opinion, does have a bit of a strong scent to it, so keep that in mind when you want to buy it. And also, it's significantly smaller than the other serums that The Ordinary offers. One other thing to note when using pycnogenol on your face is that don't rub it in, gently pat your face when using it. Now in my demo section of the video, I did rub it in because I used it on my hand and I used a small amount. However, when I use it on my face, I obviously apply more than one drop, so when I rub it in, it has this crumbling effect where I see it crumble all around my face. So to avoid that, I just apply a couple of drops and then I gently pat my face and let it completely absorb into my skin before going in with a heavy-duty moisturizer. Just a few more tips before ending this video. When trying new products from any skincare line, always patch test before using the entire product on your face, just to be on the safe side and to see if you have any reactions to the product. Also, if you have sensitive skin and you want to use any type of AHAs on your skin, I do recommend using the lactic acid 5% because it is formulated for sensitive skin and it's a bit more gentler than glycolic acid. Alright you guys, this is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which part was your favorite. And also don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll always know when I upload. See you in my next video. Bye!